The impact of sleep on physical fitness. See our full article linked below. It can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. It's simple to forego sleep in favor of work or leisure pursuits in today's fast-paced environment. However, since sleep is so important for muscle healing and growth, this habit could seriously harm your physical fitness. Human growth hormone, HGH, one of the hormones your body creates while you sleep, aids in the repair and regeneration of your muscle tissues. Additionally, getting enough sleep reduces fatigue, increases endurance, and enhances performance. It's crucial that you give sleep top priority. Our daily lives depend on sleep, and it has effects that go far beyond merely making us feel rested. According to research, our physical fitness and overall health can be significantly impacted by the type and amount of sleep we obtain. How sleep affects physical fitness. Sleep is important for maintaining physical fitness since it is essential for muscle healing and growth. A good night's sleep reduces muscle soreness, enhances overall performance and endurance, and increases mental clarity and focus. Contrarily, a lack of sleep can increase the chance of being hurt, hinder muscle recovery, and have a detrimental impact on metabolism, resulting in weight gain and a loss of muscle mass. Sleep is crucial for everyone, but it's especially crucial for athletes and other physically active people to recover after training and competition. Sleep is essential for endurance athletes to recover from the stress of their activity. For optimal power production, power athletes like weightlifters and sprinters also benefit from getting enough rest. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, with athletes and people who lead active lifestyles needing even more. Establishing a nighttime routine, making a sleep-friendly environment, limiting screen time before bed, and practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga can all help with sleep quality. In conclusion, getting enough quality sleep is essential for physical fitness and overall health. Neglecting sleep can hinder performance, recovery, and health, making it important to prioritize and improve sleep habits. As a reminder, the full blog article is linked below with additional information. For more videos like this, please visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel, and for access to the best holistic fitness and health products, please visit our website online shop at www.elementsforlife.com.au/shop.